So this is my current Facetron and encoder setup. On the top there you can see my current box with the LCD screen. I'm about to replace that with the bottom TFT screen, the colour one. So I've removed the encoder plug from the encoder. You can sort of see it sitting there behind, and I plugged in the little wires, the red, white, green, brown and black wires, which connect up to the ESP32 board and the TFT screen you can see there. You can see that if you go up above 90 degrees, it calibrates. The little yellow C there shows that whether it's being calibrated or not, and that happens when you lift the handpiece up well above 90 there. So this just helps me to test my code and make sure that it's going to be responsive. This red part of the screen on the bottom here, I have some little electronic dials that you might have seen in some of my previous videos. I'm still just having a little bit of a tweak of those. And you can just see that black cord here, that's just a USB, micro USB it's called. So that just goes to my PC, which I've got the Arduino IDE, which I upload the code to the ESP board, and the Arduino IDE allows you to install libraries. It's quite very user friendly, and it's quite straightforward compared to a lot of other software developing platforms.